नमस्ते, मेरा नाम उस्मान इब्राहिम और मेरा देश सूडान है। आज 15 अगस्त में, today is 15 August, which is Indian Independence Day. I would like to say to all my Indian friends, wish you very very happy Independence Day. और अगर भारत में सबको फ्रेंडली बात कर रहे हैं, सबको अच्छा है, सबको नेचर में सबको फ्रेंडली बात कर रहे कि ये अच्छा ही लगा है मेरा। और I would like convey the message also to all Indian friends. They are wishing you very very happy Independence Day, and we are glad that pursuing our degree in India, and wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Namaste. Good Hafiz. Jai Hind.
Guys, my name is Wezi Kondwe and I wanted to wish all the Indians a happy Independence Day. And I wanted to say that my experience in India has been nothing short of amazing. The people, the culture, everything, especially my favorite food, Pani Puri. You guys should really try it. And I wanted to say, stay home, stay safe, love you. Happy Independence Day all the way from Zambia.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad, I'm from Chad, and today is one of the greatest day for the Indians, that is their Independence Day, and we would like to wish them a happy Independence Day, and it's an earnest opportunity to wish them gratitude, peace, and whatsoever happiness it is to their country, and we are really happy to be here, and it's one of the best experience we have been through. Thank you all. Peace out.
Hello everyone, I am Shani Edward, a South African national currently studying here in India. So here's wishing India a very happy Independence Day. Thank you India for teaching me independence, how to be way patient, and most of all and most importantly, how to be humble. God bless. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ilaroma Savala. I'm a former BCA student in Bangalore University. I'm from Gabon, and I wish all my Indian friends a happy Independence Day. Enjoy.
This is Flores from Congo. I want to wish you happy Independence Day for all Indians. We enjoyed everything here in India, especially your cultures. We like it a lot. Whenever there is special events, we participate, we mingle together, we enjoyed everything here in India. For this opportunity, we want to wish you happy Independence Day. Enjoy your day.
Namaste, my name is Godwil Salam from the eastern part of Africa in a country called Rwanda. First of all, I want to wish a happy Independence Day to all my Indian brothers and sisters. This country has been such a really blessing for me in one way or another, and I wish God keep on blessing this country in all the way, and it's a country with a lot of amazing people, so friendly, and yeah. Jai Hi India, Jai Hi.
Namaste. My name is Loisa Katanga. I am from Namibia, currently living in Pune, India, and I would just like to say Happy Independence Day, incredible India, and to spread the love to all my local friends and the international students community in Pune. Thank you.
Greetings all the way from Uganda. My name is Sandy Emmanuel, and I want to take this opportunity to wish all Indians a happy Independence Day. I also want to add that my stay in India was life-changing. I came across beautiful people, the incredible culture, and everything is so amazing. I'm so privileged that I got a chance to study from India, and I want to end by saying that I'm so privileged and I consider India as my second home. And Namaste.
Hello everyone, my name is Maimuna from Mozambique, and I would like to wish to all the Indians around the world a very happy Independence Day. Namaste.
Hello everyone, bonjour, this is Divesh from Mauritius. I want to wish everyone happy Independence Day, and I want to seize this occasion to thank all the Indians and non-Indians for their hospitality and love. I'm very much impressed by the way they are very open to the diversity of different cultures, and I really appreciate the teaching methods, teachers, and without forgetting the delicious food. Thank you. Merci.
Hello guys, my name is Magnifique from Burundi. I take this opportunity to wish you a happy Independence Day to all Indians. Ciao, enjoy your day. Happy Independence Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Arimam Tutsu. I'm from Madagascar. It's a very good opportunity that the government of India have given to us to visit your country. And on this occasion of Independence Day, I wish to each one of you a very peaceful Independence Day and years full of prosperity for India. Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day to the country that taught me my independence. India has been a home to me for the past 3 years, and it has taught me life's most wonderful lessons and the most precious principles ever. Dhanyavad.
Happy Independence Day, India. I got so much love for y'all, and it is indeed a great nation here. I'm thankful. It's diverse around here, you know, different cultures around, and yeah, it's pretty colorful. Good festivals. Speaking of festivals, Holi, yeah, that one's a bit interesting, you know, much colors. And I haven't even started with the food. I mean, I haven't had anywhere like to choose. Like I haven't had so much choice of food, you know, anywhere else. I mean, I haven't been around the world, but it's close to the same experience. I mean, close. But like, you know, but if I was to choose, I like chicken biryani a lot. You gotta try it. I mean, it's good. And I hope y'all continue staying good. You know, be welcoming, stay positive. You know, love y'all. Once again, happy Independence Day. God bless you.
Hello, my name is Lucretia from Botswana. I'd like to wish India a happy Independence Day. Namaste, and God bless your country.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Stanley and I'm from Liberia. Before I wish India a happy Independence Day, I just want to say a few words. I want to say India is indeed incredible. They didn't just get that name, but they earn it because they are peaceful, obedient. One of the few obedient people I've seen so far around the world. I like the spirit of uniqueness. I like their simplicity. I like how simple they are, and I just appreciate the country for upholding peace and stability. I've been in a few places in Pune, and I've seen there is beautiful. And one of the places that I love most is Nonovala. It's around the Mumbai Express Highway. It's a beautiful resort over there.
Hello, my name is Bruno Mokli from the Republic of Togo. I'm a student in Pune University. India, with the help of my neighbors, all the friends I've been able to make here, really made me feel like I'm at home during this pandemic that we are still experiencing, and I'm really grateful for that. And I will just use this opportunity to wish this beautiful country a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Hello, it's been such a great honor to live and study in India, knowing that it's a diverse country with vast population, and it has taught me about kinship, tolerance, and self-realization. And from the bottom part of my heart, I'd like to wish India happiest Independence Day from Tanzania.
My name is Akisoya Mayokon Hamid. I'm from Nigeria. I want to use this medium to wish my Indian friends and family happy Independence Day. God bless all of us together. I've been in your country for the past 5 years. It has been okay for me, awesome, no issues. God bless your country. God bless everybody living in your country also. Jai Hindi.
Hi, my name is Zina. I'm from Ghana, and I want to wish all Indians a happy Independence Day. Namaste, India.
Namaskar. Happy Independence Day to all Indians. Thank you, Indian people. I'm glad to be with Indians. My name is Anthony Simon Peter. from South Sudan. I'm happy to wish all Indians this happy National Day for all Indians, 15th of August 2020, the day Indians won their heroes and their happiness from the British. It's my pleasure to be with Indians because they are so wonderful people, kindly and happy people always. It's my pleasure always to give thanks to people who are always kind and who always matter about other people. India is one of the best countries ever due to their cultures and their festival ever. India are one of the kind people also, lovely and wonderful people. Happy Independence Day to all Indians. Namaste.